So here is this front wheel drive Toro. I knew it would come out looking really good after cleaning it up. It's model 20072. Changed the oil in this. It just came out really nice. Everything is in really good shape on this lawnmower. Beautiful color red, as you can see. Didn't have to do a whole lot to this. I didn't even sharpen the blade. It was in really good shape. Air filter is in really good shape on here. Looked like it was actually new after looking at it closer. Self-propel works great on here. Just give it a really good cleaning up. Engine looks great. And underneath looks great as well. What a very nice lawnmower. So let's give this a last start here. I got this one shortly after doing the triplets video here. So let's do 3 and see if I count it correctly here. This has been starting first pull. Here we go. Very nice Toro Recycler.